Hello everybody, today we are going to learn how to create your first program in Python. Also, we will see about identifiers. So let's get started. We will create a Python script to print hello world. Here are the steps that you have to follow. First of all, we will open the Python shell where we will create a new file and save it with the extension .py. After that, we will run our code. So let's see how to do it. On the Start menu, you have to go to IDLE Python. Here, IDLE Python, click here. It will open. Go to File, New File. Here, first of all, we will save it. Control S. Remember, you have to save your files with the extension .py. Okay. I have already created a folder named Python scripts. I will save all my files here. You can save it anywhere you want to. Okay, let's name it hra.py. Press save. Alright. So, in order to print something, you have to write print keyword. After that, you have to put parenthesis, and whatever you have to print, you have to enclose it into the inverted commas, either single inverted commas or double inverted commas. So let's see. Print hello world. Alright. Okay, let's hello world. So we are done. Save it. See, I have enclosed hello world inside single inverted commas. You can also write double inverted commas. After that, you have to run. Either you can run it from here, or you can simply press F5. Press F5. See, the output is hello world. You can also run your program on command prompt too. Just go to Start, CMD. Alright. We know that whenever we have to run Python programs on command prompt, we have to type Python. So first of all, let's type Python in order to run your Python scripts on command prompt. Now, type the same program here. Print hello world. Press enter. See, hello world. Alright. You can directly run your programs on Python shell too. Okay. Press Python ideally. You can directly run your programs here too. See, hello world, you can print anything. Kriti. Alright, so you have successfully created your first program in Python. So now we will see what are identifiers. What are identifiers? Identifiers are the names with the help of which you can identify variables, functions, classes, and other objects. Let me give you a real life example. For example, you are a girl. How will I identify you? Your name is your first identity. Whatever be your name, it will be your identity. Similarly, in Python, Similarly, in Python, identifiers are the names with the help of which you can identify objects. Now, what are the naming rules for an identifier? An identifier name can be a combination of alphabet, capital A to Z or small a to Z, numbers 0 to 9 and underscore. Okay, you can create identifier name using alphabets, numbers or underscores. Next point is an identifier name cannot begins with a digit. You cannot commence your identifier name with a digit. Either you can start your name with alphabets, either capitals or small letters, but you cannot begin it with a digit. Yeah, you can begin it with an underscore. Note, punctuation characters like percentage, at the rate, etc. cannot be used within identifiers. While naming identifiers, you cannot use punctuation character, whether it's at the rate, hash, dollar, whatever it is, you cannot use it. Okay, now there arises a question. Are top different identifiers? Yes, they are different identifiers. Why? Because Python is a case-sensitive language, that is, capital T and small t are not treated as the same thing. Capital T-O-P and small t-O-P are the different things. They are not same things. So these two are different identifiers. Now let's see valid and invalid identifiers. HAY, yes, it is a valid identifier. YOU9, it is also a valid identifier as it is a combination of digit and alphabets. JOE_Y1, it is also a valid identifier. 9HAY, no, it is not a valid identifier. Why is it that? Because it is starting with a digit and we know that valid identifier name cannot start with a digit. _X, yes, it is also a valid identifier. As we know, identifier names can also begin with an underscore. Small h, yes, it is also a valid identifier name. NO@77, no, it is not a valid identifier. Why? Because here punctuation character, that is at the rate, is used. I hope you got it. Thank you so much for watching it. Guys, if you find my video informative, do like, subscribe and share it among your friends. Thank you once again.